Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I found a winning product for my Amazon store from TikTok. So, as you guys already know that TikTok is continuously proving itself a best platform for marketing of your e-commerce product. Because if we compare the past year's numbers of getting e-commerce sales from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and Pinterest, so TikTok is having the highest number in just small amount of time. For example, if I make it easy for you, if you spend $100 on Facebook and against that $100 you get 10 sales, so this ratio is almost more than double for TikTok. Because if you spend $100 on TikTok ads, you might get 20 to 25 sales, which is probably 2.5x of the sales you got from Facebook. So it might be because of the feature that TikTok is already a video sharing ad, where you can just share your video or watch someone else's video. So while watching videos on TikTok and scrolling down your videos for TikTok, if you find a video ad for a product that you like, then you might purchase that product. So that is the basic science behind the popularity of TikTok for selling your e-commerce product. So if you want to learn that how you can sell your products on TikTok, how you can just get organic sales from TikTok for your e-commerce product, or how you can just run TikTok advertisement to get sales on your e-commerce product, then you can watch my other video in which I have explained you in detail like how you can run TikTok ads and how you can almost double your money by running TikTok ads. So I will put the link of that video in the description of this video, but for this video I'm gonna only show you the way like how I found a winning product from my Amazon store from TikTok. So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so first of all, you need to go on your desktop and open your browser. And in the link of your browser, you have to type tiktok.com/tag/e-commerce. Like I'm doing it right now. tiktok.com/tag/e-commerce. So if you're on your mobile device, you can just search e-commerce in your search bar. But in PC, in desktop, the way is different. So in desktop, you need to open your browser and you need to type the URL with that tag. So after searching that tag, you can see that I'm having an e-commerce tag here. And here I am having some results of e-commerce product which people are selling online. So right now, after opening this window, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to keep watching these videos until you found 5 or 6 great products. Like you have to shortlist those product videos which should be more attractive to you, and after watching this video you might think for a while that you need this product and you need to purchase that product. So right now I'm just scrolling down here and I will just open 2 or 3 products because this is a short video, but if you are really searching for your product, you need to open at least 5 to 10 videos and then shortlist out of them. So you can see that this might be a good product. Let's open this. This might be a good product. So let's just start watching these videos one by one and try to understand what this product is and what's the working of this product, and then we will check from Jungle Scout and Helium 10 like if these products are really selling on Amazon or not. So let's check out this one. Let's play this video.
Bom dia, gente.
So,
O início do dia
right
da
now it
Butterfly.
seems to be a liquid and she is just dissolving some powder in liquid, and there's some glitter present here. So I think this is a resin liquid, and when she put all the glitter and all the powder in it, and after stirring, it is having a cool look, like glittery look, and now she is just pouring that liquid into a resin mold which is of dice shape. So I think after drying out it will be like dice. Yeah, you can see that when she just prepared that liquid and she poured that liquid into the resin mold, and after pouring that and after drying out, you can make many dice like this, and these dice are of clear blue color and having a glittery look, and the shape is of dice. So you can see that this is a kind of creative art product which can be used by children or which can be used by adults as well who love to make art and craft. And by this mold you can make dice, and if you use the same liquid for some other molds, so you can make different things. So it's a cool product, and I actually like this product. So after checking all other products, we will go on Amazon and check out this product, like if this product is really selling or not. So let's check out for the next product. So I think this is a kind of metal straws, and metal cup. I think this is basically a kit which includes metal straw and metal cup, so we can just pour the drink in it, pour the juice or cold drink, and then we can just drink that. So I think this is a very cool product for summers in which people used to love drinks and used to love juices. So they can just use these eco-friendly straws and this eco-friendly glass or mug to drink some juice and drink some cola. So yeah, it also seems to be a good product. And if we go down and if we start reading the comment, you can see that this person is saying commenting that just ordered my own. So that means that show that people are actually ordering this product by watching the video on TikTok. I know that this product is good, but the video is not too much attractive. Like it takes me over 30 seconds to understand what this product is. So you can just shortlist this product, you can just sell this product, but you have to change a creative video. Like you need to make a video which grabs the user attention in first 2 to 3 seconds or maybe first 5 seconds. So you need to explain the use of this product in first 5 seconds, and you need to explain the buyer like why he needs this product and why he needs to purchase this product. So you need to create the need of the buyer in first 5 seconds. So this product is really good. Like this product is eco-friendly, this product is really good for drinking juice in summer season, and this product is also good, like the resin mold and this metal straw with mug. So let's check out for our third product, this one. So this is a pan. Oh wow, we can just fry 4 eggs at a time in this pan, and egg omelette pan. Okay, great. So you can see that this is a very short video of over 9 seconds, and in 9 seconds I just completely understand what the product is, how we can use it, and it basically shows that we can just cook 4 eggs at a time. So this product is actually an attractive product. This product is having a wow factor, and this is a problem solving product because at the morning time when the mother is cooking the breakfast for the whole family, so if there are many people in the family, like some children who need to go to school and her husband who need to go to office, so in a short amount of time the mother can make 4 eggs at a time. So it will be a lifesaver, it will be a time saver. So I think that this product is really good, and if I choose any one product from all of these 3 products which we have just watched the video, so I will give this product number 1. So first of all, we will search for this product, and then we will search for resin mold and the other one, metal straws, on Amazon. Then we will see like which one is the best among them and which one we need to sell. So this is how you can just do a research for your product, and after scrolling and after finding some good product after watching video, you will be getting many product ideas from there, and then you have to note down all those ideas into a paper or into an Excel sheet, and then you need to finalize. You need to do your research on Jungle Scout, on Helium Trend or on Google Trend, and you need to make sure that this product must be selling on Amazon and the competitor must be getting a really great revenue. So let's go on Amazon and check these products one by one. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon.com, and here I will type 4 egg pan. So as you can see there, this is a popular product because when I type a generic keyword which comes in my mind, I can see this product here, and the price of this product is really good, like between $20 to $30, and that means it will be having a good profit margin, and the reviews are also good, and the rating is also good. Like this one is having 4 rating, this one is having 5 rating, this one is having 4.5. okay, now you can see that many sellers are selling this product, all are having a great review, and all are having great rating. That means this is a winner product. Now let's run the Jungle Scout on it and see if the demand and competition of this product is good or not. So as you can see here, the Jungle Scout has extracted the data from all of the competitor. So that means we can see that all of the competitor are having great revenue and very good review. So for those of you who don't know what Jungle Scout is, the Jungle Scout is basically a great tool for all the Amazon seller that every Amazon seller must have, because this tool will help you a lot in spying on your competitor, in getting the data, the private data of your competitor. Like you will be able to know that how many units per day, how many units per month your competitor is selling, how much revenue your competitor is getting, and you can actually see the past history of your competitor in past year or in past months, what actual revenue did your competitor just get. So that will make your analysis super easier for you, and you can make the exact decision which will make your product profitable. So if you also want to get Jungle Scout, so you can just find my referral link in the description below, so you will get up to 50% discount. So make sure to go there and check out that link. So as you can see here, Jungle Scout is showing me the revenue of all the competitors. You can see that $6,000 this seller is getting, $30,000 the second competitor is getting, and again $5,000, $10,000, 1000, 8000, 2000, 16,000, 18,000. So you can see that all of the competitors which are ranked on page number 1, like all the top 10 and top 20 competitors, all are having revenue between 5,000 and 10,000 depending on the review, depending on their listing age. So that means it is a winning product because it's having a good revenue, good reviews. This product is a wow product and a problem solving product. So if you always go for a product that will solve your problem, that will solve someone else's problem, that means the chances of getting sales on that product will be high, because everyone having problem in their life, and if they find a product or a gadget that can just solve that problem or that can just save their time, so everyone wants to purchase that product which will save their time, because time is money and nobody wants to waste their time. So I think this product is very good for time saving. So let's just end this video here, because we have already found a golden product for us from TikTok to sell on Amazon. And if you want to check the resin mold, or if you want to check the other metal straws, so you can check on Amazon by yourself, because if I will start checking this product in here, so that video will be too long. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned a great stuff from this video. So if you really found this video helpful for you, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos like this in the future. And if you want to ask any question regarding your e-commerce business from me, so you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.